Hey guys, my name is Trina. Today's video is going to be La Roche Posay Ultra Repair Moisturizer. If this is your first time here and you want to learn more about skincare, please don't forget to click the subscribe and the notification bell so you don't miss any beauty video. This is the moisturizer. I have my phone and I'm going to read you guys claims about this moisturizer. It claims it's a daily face moisturizer for sensitive skin that hydrates, soothes, and protects dry skin. It is formulated without ingredients that potentially irritate sensitive skin, and it helps restore the natural skin barrier, which provides soothing and antioxidant benefits with mineral thermal spring water, and is dermatologist tested. It retails for $30 and it's available at Target. So this is the moisturizer, and you can see it has a pump, so it's one of those moisturizers with a pump. So now I'm going to pump some and put some on my hand. So as you can see, this is it. This is the moisturizer. So I am blending it in, and as I'm blending it in, I could feel right away that the formula of this moisturizer, it is very lightweight. It is not thick. Plus, it has no fragrance. So as I'm smelling it, it has no scent at all. No scent, no fragrance. It is fragrance free. My honest opinions about this La Roche Posay Ultra Smoothing Repair Moisturizer. The first thing I like about is the formula. The formula is very lightweight and feels very creamy going to the skin. I love the way how it instantly hydrates my skin, and also I love the fact that it is fragrance free. So it's great if you have sensitive skin. For first impression, this La Roche Posay Ultra Soothing Repair Moisturizer is an amazing product. Hydrates and repairs the dry skin instantly. As you can see the before and after, you can see as I put it on, it instantly hydrates my skin. My skin feels nice and smooth and hydrated. Remember, it retails for $30 and it's available at Target. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this review of this moisturizer. If you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe right here over here, and I'll see you in my next video.